Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a swipe today, but first let me show you the last one I did, what I painted on it, and then I'll explain what today's plan is. So you hopefully saw this last video I did where I intentionally poured this background for a still life, and this is what I came up with. I did change up the line, straighten it out to make a nice table line, and painted in acrylics this what I call a tangerine trio, and there we go. I haven't varnished it yet, but I'm looking forward to doing that because it's got a lovely shimmer down here with the gold, and of course the copper will really come to life, and I'm very happy with it. So that's that one. Now today's, as you can see, is larger, and I'm going to put down a black background for the whole thing. I want to do a kind of a moody old masters style floral arrangement. So I'm going to put black base coat down for the whole thing, and then I'm going to use teal blues and dark silver for three quarters of it. And then on the bottom, the very bottom, the tabletop will be this kind of a bronzy color I made up. I mixed it with orange and red and gold and black and came up with a nice sparkly brown. Probably have this color in some. It looks a lot like English brown in Modern Masters. I probably could have just used that, but I didn't realize I was going to get this color until I got it. So anyway, that is the plan, and I'm going to pause here, put down the black, and get all ready to go, and I'll be right back. Okay, got my black base coat down, ready to swipe. I think I'm going to do the 1/4 part, the tabletop first, and I decided to mix up some gold to go along with the kind of bronze color. Otherwise, it's going to be very dark, too dark, I think. And, you know, when this thing is dry, I can always fix it any way I want. So, really doesn't matter what I get here. Anything can be changed with the magic of paintbrush. And there's a chunk of something. That's no good. All right. I think I put the gold on top of that. And here we go. Using the same piece of plastic I used on the last one, and it's just, I think it's the same width as this canvas. And if you watched my last video, I had a little problem on one edge and had to go back and fix it. But, you know, as it turned out, I didn't need to even do that. As it settles and dries, it kind of moves out anyway. So I'm not going to worry about any edges if they're not perfect. So here we go. I think this piece is square. Let's see. Oh, I want to get it in the black. Drag it across the gold and bronze. Okay, well, that's quite subtle. Ooh, but that gold, I'm glad I added the gold. You need the metallics really when to get the cell action. When you don't add silicone. And wow, I like it. Okay, see, these are the parts I was concerned about, and I might go ahead and touch them up. just in case it doesn't splay out. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is so reactive. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go over this. Okay. Now, wow, I didn't expect that. The whole thing is covered. Oh well, what can I do? Now I want to turn this thing around. I'm going to throw some gloves on. Turn this around so I can pull towards me with the, on the other part. It's always easier to swipe towards yourself. Now I do have silver. My two blues are matte, and the silver is the only metallic on this side, so that'll be, oh gosh, that's kind of pretty. As is. All right, might as well leave the gloves on. Okay, and now the blue. I'm going to leave a space of black there. Let's see. Silver. I might run two lines of these other colors. All righty. And here we go. In the black. Making contact all the way across and swipe. Oh, were you holding your breath, Tara? I was. Okay. Okay. I think I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and fix up those edges. The more I tried to go straight, the more I wiggled. But that's what I mean. As it settles, that's all going to go away anyway, probably. So I don't need to be sweating it. Let me hit it with a torch. I'm disappointed my bronzy color didn't show up more down here, but when it's dry, I could always do a wash of bronze over that if I feel it's too gold. I don't think I want to tilt in any way. Okay, well, I think that's all I can do with it at this point. I'll let it dry. I'll paint my next painting and show you on some future video. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Look at that. Oh, it's... When I get closer to it, the color changes. It looks very white gold, but that is gold. Maybe when I come down here, you can see the color. Silver areas. Yeah. I'm happy with it. I can visualize what I might be able to do with it. And honestly, it's kind of pretty enough. It could be on its own, but you know me, I probably won't leave it on its own. Thank you for joining me, my friends, and I'll see you next time.